We are moving to the next tool, that's a couple of brush tools. Actually, brush tool is used to brush the colors. You can use the right square bracket to or close square bracket to increase the size of the brush, and left or open square bracket to decrease the size. Then you can, here on the top, you can select the brush tip or the size. Here I just chose 90. Then also you can choose the blend mode here. Then you can drag and start brushing. The color, you can choose the color from here. Okay, this, just drag and paste the color. The brush size will affect the shades. Look at that. And I chose 112. The brush act like this. Okay, this is the brush. Then we can go back. Just take a look at the next tool, that's the pencil tool, to draw things, or actually this advanced thing, because we are not going to use the pencil tool here. If you want to draw something, then you can use the tool. But okay, let's move to the next one, that's clone stamp tool. Actually, a lot of people don't know what is clone stamp tool. This used to clone an image or a particular object. So here what you want to do is select or define a particular area though. So click and press and hold Alt key, and here I gonna define this leaf or this particular image. So press and hold Alt key and click to select this area. Then we can drag to paste here. Then we can choose another size, that's 60. Then start again. So we can utilize this particular tool for copying an image or object. So we are moving back. So the next tool is eraser tool here. That eraser tool helps to erase everything in this. Yes, I think you are familiar with this. And we can erase these things here. Just click and drag to erase. Then the next thing is the background eraser tool. Actually, this erase only the background. Let me show you an example. Okay, I just imported this image with the sky, so I want to erase the sky. So I selected the background eraser tool, then just drag and erase this portion. So when it comes to these edges, actually this is not perfect, but this is not erasing the rest of the shapes or the building or the rough building. It's not erasing that. So this is the use of the background eraser tool. Here to here. Okay. Then the next tool in this category is magic eraser tool, that erases a group of pixels, just like the magic wand tool. It selects same kind of pixels or same color pixels or group of pixels. Then the magic eraser tool erases a same kind of or same color pixels or a group of pixels. Then the next is we can close this one. Okay, the next one is, we are familiar with this gradient and paint bucket tool. Actually, the gradient tool helps to create a gradient. So what is a gradient? So this here on the top, you can select different kind of gradients. Actually, I loaded some other gradients here, so that's why. The first one is 2 color gradient, then the second one is a single color, then rest is transparent, then black and white, then 3 color, 2 color, then multicolor, that's the spectrum color. Then we have a lot of gradients available, and also you can customize any gradient or you can make from scratch. You can change the colors of the gradient. Select the gradient, then click over here, then you can click here, then change the color. Okay, then click on the right side and change the color. Just really easy. Then drag from, okay, let's rasterize this layer. Drag from top left to bottom right, or you can just drag like this from top to bottom, or from one corner to another corner. So the next important tool is dodge tool, burn tool, and sponge tool. So let us check what are dodge tool and burn tool. Actually, the dodge tool lightens pixels in an image. The burn tool darkens pixels. So I selected the dodge tool here, so it lightens the pixels. So let's zoom in and take a look at the changes. So look at that, it lightens the pixels. So where we can utilize this, we can import an image of a lady. Let's lighten her face. I select the dodge tool. So look at that, it's lightens. Keep it over here, then here. Look at that, it works smooth. Let's go back, then let's check out how it's changed from here to here. Look at that, so it helps to lighten the pixels. Then what is a burn tool? When I selected the burn tool, it darkens the pixels. Great. Then move back, burn tool, from lightening to darkening, Okay, that's the use of dodge and burn tools. So I'm winding up this section. Actually, this is a really useful section, so we can continue in the next section. I hope you are clear. Thank you.